Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we are planning the first full week in March. This video is being published on Tuesday, March 3rd, but I'm filming it the Saturday before, so technically I'm filming this on a leap day, and it will be another 4 years before I'm able to film on a leap day again. But if you are doing something special for today, let me know. I don't have any special rituals or traditions or any weird things that we do on leap day, but I always just think it's fun that you get this bonus day. So as you can see too, I don't have a kit laid out in front of me for this week. I will be back in just a second once I introduce this video to explain to you what I am going to be doing this week. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So this week I decided to use washi tape as my inspiration and kind of get out of my Simply Gilded every single week routine and choose something that was a little bit different. So this washi I actually have in my monthly dashboard for this month, as well as in my content planner. So for my monthly spread, I did like a St. Patrick's Day theme since I had the Christiane Designs celebration stickers and I wanted to use some of those up. And then in the dashboard, I used this little succulent washi here, and I've had it for a really long time. I got it probably from Michael's quite a while ago, so I couldn't tell you that it's still there or where you can find one like it, but I'm sure you can find something somewhere that is very similar. So I'll be using this as kind of my inspiration for the color scheme this week, and then I do have some 5mm Simply Gilded washi pulled out to be a complement as needed. It's just some of the different shades of blue that are in this washi. And then, so, you know, stickers. Obviously, we need to have some stickers. I am challenging myself to use some of my functional stickers from my Erin Condren sticker books and sticker collection. I've got so many different stickers from her. A lot of these loose stickers I keep in a pouch. So when this pouch went on super sale a while ago on the Erin Condren website, I purchased it. I think Jen McIntosh is who inspired me to do something like this, but I just keep my loose EC stickers in here. So I've already gone ahead and pulled some out, and then in addition to the functional stickers and icons that I have here, move these out of the way, I have, like most of us, a crap ton of Happy Plannner and Mambi sticker books. So I have these, and I'll be using these to kind of supplement what I have from the Erin Condren collection. So I'll be using both brands. There's not a ton of full box stickers that are kind of related to the color scheme in here, so I will probably be supplementing the full boxes with the Happy Plannner sticker books. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do some foundational things. And I'm gonna start with washi first, which is not normally how I start, but since this is actually what is the inspiration for this week's design, I'm actually gonna start with that first. So I just cut the washi with my hotel room card from when I went to the First Go Wild back in 2016, I think. It's a little bit rough, so I will probably go get my cutter later, but it's just not in the room right now. It's out in the living room with my purse, and I know if I go out there right now and try to get it, my son is going to start asking me a bunch of questions, and I'm home alone with him right now because my husband is at work, so he has been told he needs to be quiet and kind of just keep to himself for a little while mommy films a video. So last thing I want to do is go ahead and interrupt him right now, so I'm not going to do that. I do need to find a pull box sticker to cover which that kind of works perfectly. This Bloom Where You Are Planted sticker. This is actually, I think, a loose sticker sheet from one of those sticker books that I have there. But since it's already out and I don't have to figure out which sticker book it's from, I'm just going to use it. So the reason why I have so many loose EC sticker pages or sheets is because I tend to pick them up at the destash table at our meetup, or when we have destashes. I just think that they're really like a good thing to have in your sticker inventory, because you just never know when you will need something like this. So I try to pick those up whenever I see them. I think that's kind of straight. It's hard to tell from the angle I'm at right now, but I like this because it says bloom where you're planted, and this has succulents and everything like that, so I think it'll go nicely. I do have a list of things which I think I've covered up with the sticker book, so I can go back and put that on top so I can see what I'm doing. This week is definitely more activity and appointment heavier than last week was, so I will have a fair amount of things that I do need to put in here. Can start with Monday. Oh yeah, we have stats day on Monday, which I think I'd like to use a skinnier sticker for that. Actually think I'm going to take these pages out because it's rose gold foil on those stickers, and I'm going to try and stick with gold since the washi has a gold foil in it too. So I think technically this is rose gold, but it's a little bit more gold than rose, so I'm going to use the sticker. If you are a regular viewer, every first of the month or the day closest to the first of the month, we have statistics day at work, so that is what that is about. So that's Monday. Do need to put a habit tracker in here, so I should probably put some blue, so I think I'll use this blue. I saw on one of these Happy Planner sticker books something that could work for this part there, but since I already was looking at the sticker sheet, I decided to put that down. Tuesday night I have Write Night. This will probably be my evening plans for that night. Wednesday I have two different appointments. One is a doctor appointment and the other one is threading. That appointment is at 8:45, so I kind of just put it in the middle of the 8 and 9 hours, since it will be starting during the 8 o'clock hour, but definitely go into the 9 o'clock hour. And same thing with this, where it's at 6:45. So that's what I did there. Wednesday. Oh, did I just mess something up? I think I did. Yes, I did. This is supposed to be on Tuesday. Oops. No, my appointment is on Wednesday. My appointments used to be on Tuesdays, so I think that's why I was just confused for a minute. Oh gosh, never a dull moment, y'all. That is correct. That should have stayed there. Moving on. Thursday is payday, so I'll use that, but I do want to grab like a little skinny sticker for it. maybe I'll do this. That blends in too much, so maybe I'll do this instead. Friday, I have a hair appointment, and actually have something else that's not on here on my list, but I just remembered that I agreed to yesterday, so I am participating in an Instagram live with my friend Whitney, who has asked me to be her guest for this week. She's been doing some different lives with friends and different people that we know, so she asked me to be her next guest. I think we're going to be talking about planners, which of course I'm excited about. And that is right before my hair appointment. I am finally getting a haircut after, like, honestly, I feel like it's been an embarrassing long time, maybe a year and a half. Like, that's really bad. Don't do that. Don't be like me. But I'm finally getting a haircut and some color, very subtle color to kind of give my hair some texture and like an interesting kind of quality, but not like really drastic color, because I do really like my hair color. So that's what I have going on Friday. Saturday, I don't think I have anything, and I will like to keep it that way if possible, because I'm gonna have to work the following weekend, and my husband and I are trying to make plans to actually have a date night, so that means the following weekend will be rather busy, and if I can keep this weekend kind of calm, that would be better. I do have 2 more things I need to put on here. Yes. Daylight savings time is one of them. The other thing is International Women's Day, and I think I'm going to use one of the stickers from this Squad Goals book to mark that. Maybe this could work. It's a little bit of pink, but there's way more blue than, or cooler tones at least. So those are the things that I need to get in here. So I need to look for some kind of like full box type stickers. Kind of like this sticker, but I'm kind of gonna leave it off to the side because I kind of might put washi there. Okay, so I just put a bunch of stickers down, and they're from this Me and My Big Ideas Happy Planner book. A lot of the colors were very similar to the washi that I chose, so I really used a lot of the stickers from that booklet to fill this up. I still want to find, I know I saw a sticker that I could use for this section here, so I'm going to look for that really quick. I do need to put my workouts in here, so I might use this sticker. Oh, that's one sticker. Whoops. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I knew I saw a sticker somewhere. just made myself a little workout box sticker here. I made like little boxes to check off when I do my workouts. I added this top 3 sticker, and I've got my productivity tracker. Can't talk. And so yeah, I added a clear sticker over here. Can't remember if I mentioned that already or not. And then I do have a continuing to-do list here of other things in case I still have more that needs to get done. So I am gonna go ahead and put some washi down. Do need to pull this back up because you guys know how I am. Okay, so I've got all of my things down. I am gonna grab really quickly an emoji. Alright, so I've got an emoji there, and that's really all I wanted to add, so I think I'm done. This was really fun. I'm sure it took quite a while. I don't exactly know right now how long the video took to film. Obviously, by the time this publishes and you're watching it now, it will be significantly shorter than what the full video's time would be. But it was fun to challenge myself to use some stickers that I already had in my collection that I haven't used, and sticker books here that I've been keeping for forever, and occasionally I use them, but I almost never do. I really like these Happy Planner stickers were so perfect for this week. It really like brought all the color together, and then of course all the different various functional stickers and everything too, most of which all of these are obviously from EC, and then this one here. But really I think it was a perfect blend of the Happy Planner stickers and the EC stickers, the Erin Condren stickers. So I really like how this spread turned out. I'm really not a big fan of green, so I'm surprised by how much I like this spread. Kind of wish I had been creative enough to do this during the week of St. Patrick's Day, because I don't know if I have anything for St. Patrick's Day. I probably honestly won't decorate for St. Patrick's Day. I might put a sticker or two, but I don't know that I'll actually decorate for it. It's not a holiday that is relevant to me in my personal life. I'm not Irish. My step-grandfather was Irish, so that's the closest to Irish identification I have, and that's not enough for me to actually decorate a whole week with. Yeah, I'm rambling. I'm not even really sure what point I was trying to make, but that's gonna be it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you were new here, I would hope you'd be interested in considering subscribing after watching this video. I publish videos usually every single Tuesday for Plan With Me's, and then occasionally other videos throughout the month as I have time. You can also follow me on Instagram at Cynthia Plans. It's linked in my bio below, as well as check out my blog and website, proseccoandplanners.com. If you are a regular subscriber, all of those same things apply, but thank you for coming back every single week and being here. You guys are awesome, and I love reading your comments, and I really appreciate all of you last week for responding to my question, because it told me that most of you A, actually watched the whole video, and B, are paying attention to things. One commenter in particular asked me about my husband's internship search, which I mentioned I think probably last month or the month before when I did a Plan With Me, and that was quite a while ago. So I appreciate that you guys are listening to what I'm talking about, because sometimes I'm just like, maybe they're just having me on mute the whole time. I don't know. So I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for you guys for caring and coming back every single week and leaving your kind comments. It really motivates me to keep doing the videos every week. So with that, I hope you have a great Tuesday and a great rest of your week, and I will see you back next week for another Plan With Me. Oh, and actually one last thing before I go, to my female viewers, happy International Women's Day. Before this video goes, I just want to make sure I say that,